welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, we're doing something very exciting. We are doing 20 DIY couples costumes for Halloween. I am so excited for this video. I've already done 50 Halloween costumes in my previous Halloween video, so I am very excited for this one. Now these 20 ideas are just of some classic duos at Halloween or some characters, so this doesn't have to be just for couples. You could also use this as friends. And I love how last minute these costumes are as well, so you could totally DIY some of them and just add some accessories and things and you are good to go. Also, after you finish watching this video, let me know down below in the comments which one of these costumes was your favorite and if you will use them for Halloween this year. Don't forget to smash a huge thumbs up down below if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join the dinosaur family. But without further ado, let's get on into the video.
Dooby-dooby-doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test.
Where's Wally? Did you say him? Where's Wally?
Where's Wally?
Little Netflix and chill. You can make a movie, girl. We gotta watch Netflix and chill. Reenact all the classics. Let's play it outside. Netflix and chill.
It's me, Mario!
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. Living for my wrongs, I have just begun.
We're bad guys. It's what we do.
Wands and wings, floaty crowny things.
So those were my 20 Halloween costume ideas. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Big shout out to my boyfriend Matt for helping me out film this video. If you guys didn't know, we also have a couples join a vlog channel which is called Roxy and Matt, so I'll link it down below if you guys want to check more of Matt out. I will also leave a huge playlist of all of my Halloween videos that I filmed, so make sure you guys check it out after watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some cool ideas of what to dress up for Halloween if you want to go with your friend or with your boyfriend or girlfriend. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Stay spooky and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.